Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Boo Dating application on your Android device for beginners. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Step 1. Download and install Boo application. To start using Boo Dating app on your Android, first of all, you'll need to download and install the app on your device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Boo and search. Look for this Boo Dating Friends and Chat application from Boo Enterprises Inc. Tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait until the application downloads and installs, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the Boo application. Step 2. Create an account. Once you open up the application, you will be prompted to sign in with Google or the email option. Select either the Google account option or email. Choose any one option of your preference. I've chosen the email options since I would like to use my email. So on the next page, go ahead and enter your email address or enter your Google account's credentials. After typing in your credential, click on Confirm and open up your email on your phone that you'll receive from Boo. Now you will receive this kind of an email from where you will need to tap on Sign in to Boo. This will now redirect you to a new web browser where you will be able to verify your email. On the next page, enter your full name, select your gender, enter your birthday information, and select who you'd like to meet, whether you are using the account for friendly purpose or for dating purpose. Once you select it, you can now go through the information on the next page, and after you are done creating an account, enable location access if prompted, and take a personality quiz. Select your personality type, or you can also take a short personality quiz, and this will then help you find out about your own personality. After you find out about your personality, you can get to the next page. Select your compatible personality, select your interests, enter the rest of the information for yourself. Along the way, you will also need to upload some of your photos, write a bio for yourself, enter some of your basic information, and you will then be able to create a new account for yourself. After you do that, you can now start liking or disliking profiles displayed on the screen. Step 3. Set up your profile. After creating your account, you will need to set up your profile. Simply go to the top left-hand corner of the screen and tap on the 3 lines, and then you will be able to see your profile option. Tap on Edit Profile and finish off your profile. You can complete your profile, and this will now help you to interact with others. The step includes uploading photos and videos on your profile. Simply go ahead and take a picture from your camera or simply upload an existing picture for yourself. After setting up your information, you can now start exploring the potential matches. Step 4. Explore matches. Once you get to this profile preview page of someone, which is also known as the match page, you can now tap on the cross icon at the bottom in order to indicate disinterest in your profile, or if you want to indicate an interest on a profile, you will need to simply click on the green heart icon. If you and the other user both swipe right or like each other's profile, it will be a match and you can start messaging each other. From the Universe tab at the bottom, you will be able to discover the For You page, Explore page, Friends list, Following list, and much more. You can also add a story for your account by tapping on your story and choose one of your story content you would like to add on your profile. But remember that in order to like someone or start a conversation, you will need to finish off setting up your profile. Step 6. Adjust settings. You can adjust your account settings for Boo by tapping on the 3 lines at the top left-hand corner. Once you open up the menu button, you will now need to tap on the settings icon at the bottom. Once you go to the settings, here you can manage your account, change your search preference, and adjust other settings to customize your Boo experience. Remember to stay safe. While using the dating app, use caution in meeting any new person, and always meet the people in a public place for the first time. With these following steps, you will be able to use the Boo dating app on your Android device. Now that you know the basics for Boo application, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.